Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to install your Gmail app on your iPhone. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your app store. After that, you want to search for Gmail application on the search bar at the bottom right. So search for Gmail. After that, click on this install button right here. After that, it will ask for your Face ID or for your password, so just type it in if it's your first time installing Gmail. Otherwise, it'll start to download on its own. Gmail is very helpful for people who want to keep track on your mail and do not want to open your browser from time to time. So this is a quick video on how to do that. So let your Google app install, and after it's fully installed, you can log into your accounts or multiple accounts as you please. So this is how you install Gmail app on your iPhone. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Elise signing off. Until next time, see you then.